How to sign up and use Throne to create a wish list. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and use Throne to create a wish list. Now, without any further ado, let's move towards the video. First, you need to head over to your browser. Then in the search bar, you need to type Throne. Once you are here, you need to simply click on the first link that appears that says throne.com. This will take you to the official Throne website. Now, we are heading towards the sign up, so simply go ahead and click on sign up. Now you need to simply go ahead and enter your username. Then you need to go ahead and click on continue. Now you can choose whether you want to represent yourself as a creator or as a fan. Here I'm simply going to choose creator. Now you need to simply go ahead and enter your email address, password, and then you need to confirm your password. Now once you have entered your email address, password, you need to simply go ahead and click on sign up. Once you have done that, you need to go ahead and verify your email. So you need to simply click on open Gmail. And from here, you need to click on verify email. Now, once you do that, you can add your profile picture over here. Then you need to go ahead and add your name. Here, I'll be adding this, and you can go ahead and add your profile bio if you want. And once you do that, you need to click on next. From here, you simply choose what kind of content you want to create. I'll choose fashion, and then you need to click on complete. As you can see that you have successfully created your Throne account. You can see the several options over here. You can browse whatever you want, and if you like the product, you need to simply go ahead and click on add to wish list. And from here you need to click on add to wish list again. And as you can see that the product has been successfully added to your wish list. And that's it. You now know how to create a Throne account and add products to your wish list. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.